Hi, good morning, y'all. How y'all doing today? We are vlogging on our way to Atlanta. Yeah, we're stopping by this place called Biscuitville. We never.
Hey, that look like a Lexus.
Lord. And we just saw the sign on the road, and yeah, it looked good. So, hey, we're gonna stop by and get some food. People go pee and relax for a minute, get some gas, and then we're gonna head back.
I know tea. I give it.
What?
I know.
Oh Lord.
Cookie Monster shirt.
I like her Cookie Monster shirt. So I'm hoping the bathrooms are open. Girls, y'all enjoying y'all ride? Can't even see Rayne. They've been asleep the entire time. Sun just came up. Got that good glow on the face. Yes. So amazing. All right. We are in North Carolina? Yeah, we're in North Carolina.
Lynching country.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated.
Doug got cheese grits.
So jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Cutting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous.
I got it. Everybody got sausage, egg, and cheese. We just went with basic stuff.
Yeah, how's your hash browns taste?
Probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen.
I know you're lying.
Yes,
you are. Let me see that bite. Let me see that bite.
Do another video for me. I want to send it to old girl.
Cool.
Jersey.
It's good.
Is it good?
But like, oh my gosh, I'm really on my bonnet on.
I'm not gonna front. This is delicious. Shit.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's good.
It's worth the whatever we spent.
How much?
I'm about to
40.
Who's we?
But I brought my $2 with me.
Ezekia, $2 ain't gonna do shit on the trip.
Yeah, exactly. But I could buy little.
No, you can't. Even a pack of gum is almost like $2. That was the whole $2.
Yeah, I'll probably get something like that.
You don't got no money on your card?
So you have $8.
I'm at cash.
I don't like cash.
I like cash because I don't have.
I'm about to say, like when you got the whole meals, I was like, why you get the whole meals? Because like I don't think everybody's gonna eat them.
Well, I didn't know. Yeah, because like, there's money in my Afterpay. So I figured out what the Afterpay is. Afterpay is like everything I spend, a percentage of it goes back in my card. I don't know what it is. It don't go anywhere. So I got
You're
$8.
actually right. You're right. Afterpay is a saving program. Hey,
So they got this. So they got the strawberry soda with mint,
Man,
fresh
we're in the
mint.
South, so we got to talk with their accent. How come it got them the accent like that? So they couldn't talk right. They talk just
Whoa.
who said that?
All right, you guys, we gotta get back on the road. I don't even know what city we're in.
We in Biscuitville.
They were
Any more what?
Grits. And I think that's it. There was 3 grits and 2 hash browns.
She thought I was screaming like that, bro. She thought I
Okay.
was screaming.
A brighter day. put each other through hell. Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know we should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah. Oh, made a promise to myself, this time I'll keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter day.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out, so right now. Say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh. Cheers to all the haters, 'cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out, it's time. Say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here.
Y'all, we about to roll out to go get some food. We going to McCormick and Schmitz? Okay, so I think we're going to McCormick and Schmitz. We'll see. Okay. See y'all soon. I got my camera at a different angle, so I'm used to looking down this way, but it's up here. So we'll be back.
Yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Yeah. Young or old, I really don't care. Yeah. Life has never really been fair. Yeah. So put your fist up in the air. Yeah. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm
Get off my plate. You got your own food over there. Why are you touching my plate?
Put you through. Still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance.
Thank you so much for spending this precious time with us, because time is precious, for we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for tuning in on DATFAMILY5 first edition of our spring break. This is our first night. Y'all have a good day, and don't forget to click the subscription box. Don't forget to click that thumbs up and share this along with any friends or frenemies. Y'all be safe, and see y'all on the tube, y'all.
Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing